Hello everyone, just wanted to do a bit more of a finished video for you and like a walkthrough on this 430 that we finished last week. Here is obviously some of the finished shots of it, but I've got a load of video to show you how it was, and then some sort of 50/50s, and finally some more finished stuff where I could explain what we were doing. So this is kind of the as received condition of the vehicle. The car's got quite a few miles on it for a Ferrari actually. It's been used and enjoyed, which we love, but consequentially to that it's had some body shop work. It's picked up some swirls and some scratches and some sort of love marks from being looked after and polished and washed. So really it was in with us to correct all of these defects and make it the car that it can be, and to really get the most out of that beautiful lovely flat paintwork. So here you can see some holograms and stuff that were in this front wing. This wing had quite a lot of sort of holograms in from body shop machine polishing, finishing, same as this rear quarter did. As you can see, the hologram is quite a distinct style of defect, with that sort of pattern that it leaves under the light. This quarter, this side of the car was quite bad for this sort of defect. You can see here this was the worst part of the car completely actually. It had a lot of, as well as holograms, they were superimposed over all of these tight little DA pigtails, which is where the body shop had sanded this panel afterwards to get the orange peel out, to give it some real nice deep reflections, to make it nice and flat. Unfortunately what they hadn't done is completely removed all of those pigtails from sanding, and that had left a haze there, which was really robbing the car of a lot of depth and a lot of the shine. So here you can see that panel again, but this time after we've done quite a lot of polishing on it to get rid of those deep pigtail marks. Consequently it's now got the gloss and the shine and the depth that it should have. Crikey, I'm always shocked when I see this again, just how bad all those pigtails are. Again, this is another shot of that just under slightly different lighting, and you can just see, if you look directly at the spotlight there, how clean and sharp and deep the colour is. And then as soon as we go back over the pigtails and the defects that are there, it's robbing it of any depth really. It's got a lot of clouding. It's just not the finish that we like to see on any car, let alone something as beautiful as this 430. So yeah, well, you can see kind of the before and after there. I think we're going to move down to the side of the car now. So this was the near side. And on this panel now, I'm just going to show you kind of a bit of the interim steps. So there's quite a few on the previous quarter. That was quite a few polishing steps to get that difference. This is kind of a before shot on the door and the quarter. More hologramming here where it's been polished, but you've still got old defects inside. This quarter now here, the quarter has been polished and had the first sort of cutting stage, but not the finishing stage. So there is a very slight sort of bit of grease left on there. So that was kind of a before and after. And then finally you've got the finished shots again here. So this is a longer video, just showing really, yeah, the finished article. So many machine polishing stages later. The customer also supplied some G-Technic Crystal Serum Light and some Exo that he'd been given for Christmas, so we were happy to apply those. As you can see, just the depth and the gloss that the car's now got is fantastic. Of course, we will do all the other bits as well, so the wheels were also ceramically coated with the C5 that the customer supplied. The tyres dressed, the interior has been gone through. All of the little bits have been done, and really this is just a final check for me to show the finish on the car, but also there you go, there's that side that we were working on before, just to show you under the direct lights there's not a scratch, not a swirl, not a mark left in it really. Again, remember all those holograms that were in that wing, all gone completely now. And this is what, you know, this is what detailing is really. The brief on this car was to maximise the finish completely. The customer agreed that that's what we'd done, and hopefully you can too from this little short video. So I hope you enjoyed a bit more of a commentary over the work. Please like, comment, follow us on, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you soon.